follower of mine decided to send me some money so I could buy these socks. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for paying for these. I appreciate it. And supporting the channel. All right, let's open these up. Oh, yes. Oh, nice. So we have blue. We have a gray here. We have white. We have black. We have black stripes. Blue stripes. Different kind of gray. Lighter gray here. And a brown gray. I really do like a lot of these socks. I got them from the DapperSock.com. These are what all the socks look like after taking them out of the packaging. And I am very grateful. Thank you very much to the follower that sent me these. I do appreciate it. Just so you guys know, I do have a Patreon channel. It'll be linked down in the description. I also have an Instagram channel. It'll be linked down in the description as well. If today's the day that under subscription, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And once again, this is the DapperSocks.com. And I will also put that link down there in the description. And you'll be able to check them out. Thank you guys very much and have a wonderful day.